Buenos dias, mi amigos. So we are headed out to the spot right now. I've got dressed in all my wools, and I got my camera bag at my side here, and my coffee. Coffee is very important. And we are going to go set up in the spot. It's not very far away. Make sure we got our camera set up and stuff. Right now, it's still the gloaming, as you can see behind me here. That's the east, and the sky is just starting to glow. It's hard to do my coffee. Okay. The sky is just starting to glow over there, so we're gonna go get into position. Mukluks, my Eskimo boots. So right there is the trail I expect him to come down. I expect him to come towards me here, walk through this little section there, and go down to the creek over here. That's what he did yesterday, right around 8 o'clock. And we're going to see if that buck is going to do the same thing today. We're going to set up on this little ridge up here. There's been no sign of deer so far yet today, but we're only an hour into things. You can see that last night the sky cleared off and the moon was shining and stuff. We got almost clear skies now with some, looks like alto cumulus clouds off to the east, southeast. So it's not really looking like we're going to get a storm like I thought we were going to, but maybe it'll happen in a couple of days. I'm just hoping that we have some snow for the gun hunt, because it makes it a lot easier to track deer when you got snow. Alright, the wait continues. Alright, so it's 8:15, and I'm going to wrap things up a little early here because I got to get back to the house. But first I'm going to go down this trail, and I'm just going to check for some sign. I did not see the buck this morning, which was unfortunate, but that's the way it goes. I'm curious to see, though, how often he moves along this trail over the next couple of days, and of course the 9-day hunting season too. But yeah, I wonder how often he'll come through here. Let's go look at some sign. Found this spot right here. It's right in front of my setup. Oh, it's right there. And this is, you can see several deer tracks down in here and stuff. That feels like a good sized print right there. But same thing here, like I was showing you guys the other day, there's a deer eating that bearberry. I don't think that the bearberry is edible to humans, so I don't think me and you could eat it. But it's cool to see what they're eating. Alright, so down on the trail here, and looking at the ground, I can see that nothing's passed through here since last night. And I can tell that because just looking at the snow here, checking out the swath of ground, you can see that there's no fresh tracks. All these little spots and holes and stuff that you see, they're all kind of melted down from it being almost 40 degrees most of the day yesterday. And so, you know, I don't see any fresh tracks, any fresh crunching. The snow's very crunchy right now, so if there was any fresh tracks, it would look like this. This is my tracks. You can see all it's kind of granulated. That's what fresh tracks would look like right now. And there aren't any on this trail here. So I'm not going to walk on this trail a whole lot. I'm just gonna leave it because I don't want to leave. So I'm not gonna walk on this trail a whole lot right now because I don't want to leave my scent all over it, and I haven't descented my clothes yet, which is something that I need to do within the next couple of days. And I'll do a little video on that when I do it. But yeah, I'm just gonna leave it be, and I'm gonna pack up my gear and head back up to the house and move on with my day. And I'm gonna come back out here tonight, and I'm also gonna do my weather reports for today and put those out here. And then I'm gonna come back out tonight and see if he passes through this evening instead of this morning, or if I just see any deer here at all. Which there's a lot of signs, so I'm really hoping I see something. But until then, let's go warm up. My chest is shaking. It's a little chilly out.